We have a library of around 4,500 materials currently, and as you can see, this library is a display library. It's based upon material samples. Those material samples are categorized. Materials are voted in on a monthly basis through what we call the jury process. What that means is we have a panel of experts, be they architects, material scientists, engineers, designers, who will review each material choice. My team and the team of material researchers around the world from Material Connexion are constantly researching and finding new materials.
It's kind of an Oscar show, so only the best get entered into the library. New York is the headquarters, but we also have offices in Cologne, Germany, Milan, Italy, Bangkok, Thailand, and recently we opened an office in Daegu, Korea.
As you can see now, we're in the polymer section, specifically polymer textiles. What I mean by that is textiles that have been formed from plastic materials, so things like nylons, polyesters, that sort of thing. This will include a range of different types of textiles, wovens, knits, non-wovens. Examples are things such as this. This is a good example of a technology transfer. This is a textile currently used for upholstery that actually uses recycled cassette tapes. Originally, it was an artist who had created it, who had taken cassette tapes on which she had played music, and then taken them out of the spools and then woven them into textiles. It just so happens that the material used in cassette tapes, I believe it's polypropylene, tends to be a very hard-wearing, tough material. So it actually proves to be a very durable woven material for upholstery.
Clients for the consulting side, they're primarily on the product side and the industrial design side. That goes from anything from consumer products to automotive to athletic gears and equipments, a lot of packaging projects too, especially with, again, sustainability being such a major opportunity right now for a lot of the manufacturers, trying to help them understand what they could do with their packaging and turn that into a competitive advantage too.
A good example of creative reuse of materials can be seen in this. This is actually a solid surfacing material you normally use for countertops, wall panels, that sort of thing. Here, it's a manufacturer in the US who has found that by pressing newspaper or old magazines hard enough, you can actually create a very solid, very dense material with no need for any glue. In this case, they've actually had a creative reuse of counterfeit dollar bills. There's lots of them that are removed from circulation. They don't know what to do with them. They can't give. They're only allowed to burn them or shred them. So in this case, they've been shredded, but here they've actually been pressed together now to create a countertop material. So the idea is to provide our clients with access to a wide range of materials, give them basic information that is unbiased, give them information that is just not super technical, just enough basic information so they can make a decision about that material. Am I interested in sourcing it? Am I interested in finding more about it?